Hey everyone, so it's that time of the year again. Winter's coming to an end, and we're getting ready to put our snowblowers away for the season. Now, what a lot of people do is they'll just add some fuel stabilizer to the fuel that's in the tank and put it away for the summer until it's needed again next winter. I don't really like doing it that way because the gas can go bad even with the fuel stabilizer in it, especially during the hot months during the summer. So what I like to do is drain out the fuel, run the engine for a few minutes to get the fuel out of the carburetor, put some oil in the cylinder, and then it's good to go next winter when you need it. So as far as I'm concerned, the best thing to do is just siphon the gas out of the tank into a jug, and then you can burn that gas off in something else. Do it as quickly as possible. Go burn it off in a car or burn it off in your garden tiller, something where you can get rid of it before it has a chance to go bad. Before I fire the engine up at the beginning of the winter, I like to crank it over a few times with the spark plug removed. That's the way it just gets, I always can add a little bit of oil to the cylinder too. It just helps to lubricate it and make sure that I'm not firing it up just dry. Alright, well that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.